decision that came on the day when Elon Musk took over Twitter, the government of India amended its IT rules. Under the new IT rules, those with grievances related to suspensions, blocks, etc. by intermediaries like Twitter, Facebook, YouTube and Instagram can now approach grievance appellate committees. The intermediaries shall have to comply with the orders of the committees. The aim of amending the rules is to make the social media giants to comply with the provisions of the Constitution of India. Minister of State for Electronics and Information Technology Rajiv Chandrasekhar will brief the media on this decision shortly. My colleague Maria joining us for more details on this. Maria.
Yes, so the Government of India has amended the IT rules, and this amended rule will make all the intermediaries, which is Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, all of them have to comply with the law of the land. What the gazetted notification which has been issued by the Government of India actually talks about how these intermediaries will have to answer in terms of the grievances, if any. It goes on to say that the Government of India shall by notification establish one or more grievance appellate committees within 3 months from the due date. Each grievance committee shall consist of a chairperson and 2 whole-time members appointed by the central government. This, remember, has been done keeping in mind the complaints that the government has been receiving, particularly to do with security situation and to do with child pornography. Because there have been concerns around it, that is the reason why the government going all out in ensuring that because of the changes that have happened also at Twitter, with the new, new management taking over with Elon Musk, the government certainly feels that the law of the land should be respected and followed by all the intermediaries, including all the big tech giants. Because if India is the biggest market, particularly a WhatsApp, then they should follow the law of the land.
Maria, why did the government come up with this decision on a day when Elon Musk took over Twitter? Are these two interconnected in any way?
No, I wouldn't say they are interconnected, because if you remember when Ravi Shankar Prasad was the IT minister, he had written multiple letters to the various intermediaries, be it Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and all of them have been told that they have to ensure that the law of the land is followed, that they have to ensure that there is a grievance redressal cell, that there is an officer in India, not based out of Silicon Valley, who can be approached by the government, and his number should be made public because the social media platforms earn the maximum revenue as far as the Indian markets are concerned. But as far as compliance and also being answerable to the law of the land is concerned, that is not there. Remember, Twitter and all of them have been embroiled into a number of cases in India. But the new IT rules are important and will have great impact on the intermediaries like Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, etc. And they will be held accountable to people of India and also to the Government of India.
So, Maria, as you mentioned that according to the new IT rules, the intermediaries like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram will have to follow the committee's order in case there's a complaint filed by any user. But what will happen if the intermediaries don't follow the order?
Because if they do not follow the order, then of course it will be settled in the court. Because the notification is saying very clearly that each grievance appellate committee will consist of a chairperson and other members, and will ensure that the Indian authorities have their way. Particularly, remember, the concerns have been that there are security implications of what is put out on social media and by other platforms. There is a need that it's a verified content, and if there is not a verified content, then how will these unverified fake news contents are brought down? That is the reason why the government now ensuring that with the change of management, particularly in Twitter, because India has a huge percentage of people on Twitter, these are carried out.
Right, Maria. Thank you for giving us all those details on the new IT rules. Time for a short break. For all the latest news, keep watching CNN News 18.